Go.
Okay, look down here. I want to take a card.
He wants her to pick a card.
Okay, good. So I want you to look at it and remember the card.
Look at it and remember the card. I'm going to be the subtitle of the magician. The magician doesn't want to reveal his
Okay.
face. Can I see the card, Mr. Magician?
Sure. Right here. So did you remember your card?
No.
No?
Yes.
Yeah, he remembers
One
the card.
snap, your card will. This is your card.
Yes.
Okay.
So that's the
this is your
card. Wow, cool.
Yes.
Okay, about wait, okay. I'm gonna put the card here and I want you to push it. Then.
There's the card.
Don't expose my face.
I didn't expose your face. I just exposed the card.
Okay, so this is your card, right?
Yeah.
I'll make it vanish.
Okay. Nakakasa pa naman yan.
So where's your card? This one snap. Oh look. Where's your card? Another one, okay? Another one. This is your card, right? Plain and simple. Just like that. Okay, so that's all.
That's it?
That goes the saying, a magician never reveals his secrets. Even
And his
his
face.